Hello, and welcome back to another Wellness Wednesday video with Alessia's Academy. In today's Wellness Wednesday video, we'll be looking at using journaling as self-care. Journaling can be an excellent way of dealing with and processing our emotions. This can be a form of self-care because you're choosing to prioritize using a healthy coping mechanism for yourself. Try to set aside at least 30 minutes in your day to journal for yourself. Journaling in the morning can help you gain more focus for yourself throughout the day. Journaling in the evening can help you process difficult things that may have occurred during your day. This acts as a summary for yourself while also helping you to process what you're feeling. No matter when you decide to journal, try to make sure that your entries have some sort of beginning, middle, and end so that you complete the story for yourself. Research has shown that this is how journaling becomes healing for us. If staring at a blank page feels intimidating, you're not alone. So try using guided prompts to help you decide what to write about. Please see our description below for books with journal prompt ideas for you. You can also start small by keeping a gratitude journal for yourself. Write 3 things that you're grateful for every day. This is a good way to start your journaling practice. Remember that this is your process. Write as much or as little as you want for as long as you're able to. While journaling can often help us feel calmer, we have to remember that our brain and body are also processing the things that we are writing about. You might find that you begin to cry or your body might tense up while writing about things that you are finding particularly difficult in your life, and that's okay. Don't ignore these feelings. Lean into them and explore them further when you're ready. Always remember that you are in control. Just because you began writing about a topic doesn't mean you have to stay on that topic if you're finding it too overwhelming for you. So come back to it when you're ready. Your brain processes things differently when you're writing by hand, so do your best to journal on paper as much as possible. If you only have access to digital resources though, that's completely okay. Use what you have available to you and journal as much as you can. So what does your journaling practice look like? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching our video. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos that teach you how to learn for life and get through school while taking care of yourself. See you soon.